A body is moving with a velocity of 72 km per hour on a rough horizontal surface of coefficient of friction 0.5. If the acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square, find the distance covered before it comes to rest. According to the problem, a body is moving on a rough horizontal surface. Let this be the horizontal surface. This surface is rough in nature. Mu value is given as 0.5. So let this be a block of mass m which is moving with an initial velocity of 72 km per hour. If we draw free body diagram on this m, its weight mg acts vertically downwards. Normal reaction force given by the surface will act vertically upwards. Because of the relative motion towards right, there comes a frictional force which tries to oppose this motion. So frictional force is against to the motion of the object, so it produces deceleration in the object. So acceleration A is equal to minus F upon m, which is equal to minus F is mu times normal reaction force upon m. And from FBD it is clear that the object is in vertical equilibrium, so n will be equal to mg. So this will be equal to as minus mu g. Now initial velocity is 72 kmph, which is equal to 20 meter per second. Now he is asking to find out the distance covered by the time its velocity becomes 0. Therefore, from v square minus u square equals to 2as, we can write 0 minus 400 equals to as 2 times minus mu g multiplied by s. So from this, s is equal to 400 upon 2 mu g. So this implies s will be equal to 40 meter. Therefore, the distance covered before it comes to rest is 40 meter. So the correct option is 4.